Thumboormuzhi Dam and Gardens, Kerala. On the way from Kochi to Athirapally, 2.5 hours drive. Scenic place. Time of visit 1 to 2 hours. This one was a huge surprise. The wild squirrel, so big one. And we arrived at the dam garden. And this is the Thumboormuzhi Dam with the hanging bridge. Before we go on to see this dam, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. The magnificent hanging bridge at the Thumboormuzhi Dam. Now butterfly garden at Thumboormuzhi Park. Please click the like button. And now we are driving to Athirapally, which is just 15 minutes away. And please watch for more videos.